Hi, I'm Valentino Rose, and this is my Afrojuice session.
So long as you realize I'm not your wifey, no go to hide me on my stays. Me where they try to survive it.
Amazing, honestly. It was inspiring. As soon as I got in, I was so gingered, bruh. I was so, yeah, it was cool, honestly.
High class pay on the high line.
Shout out to the band. As soon as they played the instruments, I was really inspired.
High class pay on the high line. Don't want to be in love. Stop pacing in my timeline. Can't find what you're looking for.
Let's get to work.
I don't want a drama. I'm not your baby.
The emotions and story behind my song was honestly my life story. I had to put it down in my music because as a lady, you have to take things slow, take things easy. You don't have to rush into some kind of peas, some kind of ships. Go easy.
We really want to take it. We keep it.
What's next for me? You guys should watch out. Just watch out. And keep streaming Go Easy. Equilibrium, actually. The whole 2 packs. We have Go Easy and Borderline. Please listen to them. They're one of the strongest songs you would ever listen. Valentino is coming. You understand me?